These are the best laptops for programming in 2021. Welcome to WhichLaptop. Number 3. LG Gram 17. The needs of a programmer can vary depending on the resource utilization of their end product. If you're programming something less power hungry than most video games, then the LG Gram 17 is a great choice, especially for portability. At only 1.3 kilograms, yet with a 17-inch screen, there's no compromise on either element. But weight isn't the only factor for portability. If battery life is a serious consideration for your day, then the 80 watt-hour long-lasting battery will keep you programming for up to 17 hours at a time. As for the screen quality, the WXQHD, also known as 2560 by 1600 resolution, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, makes a lot of sense for a portable programmer's workstation, giving you finer detail and greater vertical workspace than most other laptops. And while the 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor is a solid choice for compiling and testing most softwares, the graphics performance is the only real caveat. Iris Plus graphics is not going to run a game like this, but it might run a game like this. If you need to playtest something a little more intense, that's where option 2 and 3 come in. Number 2. HP Spectre X360. The HP Spectre is one of the most stylish laptops we've ever seen, and just like the LG Gram 17, it has a fingerprint reader for that extra level of security. But more importantly, the 4K Micro Edge touch display is one of the sharpest, most detailed viewing experiences you'll see on any portable device. Perfect for coding or content creation with a battery life you can rely on at up to 12.5 hours. Powered by an Intel Core i7 CPU and Radeon RX Vega M graphics, this is a step up in the graphics department from the LG Gram 17. And will handle low to mid-range game development quite well, and all of this in a 2-in-1 form factor with 4 positions for optimal comfort while you're hard at work. And number 1. Dell XPS 17. The Dell XPS 17 is new and improved for 2021, and that includes a 5.3 GHz 11th gen Intel Core i9 processor, up to RTX 3060 graphics, and uniquely designed dual outlet opposite fans built on a vapor chamber cooling system. If this laptop can't run it, your users won't be able to either, which makes it a pretty good testing platform. The 100% Adobe RGB color gamut on an optionally 4K UHD Plus resolution, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, Infinity Edge display makes it one of the clearest and most accurate viewing tools available. So for testing how even high-end AAA games will run but on a mobile platform, this machine has precisely as much power as you should need. Any more and it's probably time to optimize the software a bit. If you have any questions or recommendations, please drop that in the comments below, and if this video helped you, remember to hit like and subscribe so maybe I can help you again sometime soon. And thanks for watching WhichLaptop.